In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove a dent from a bumper. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe, it helps me a lot. And I want to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of June, so subscribe and like the video because it gets me more popular and I want to share my videos with heaps of other people. So we are going to be removing the bumper to get to the dent, and then we're going to heat gun it and then splash and push it out, and then after that we're going to splash it with water to set it, and then all you have to do is put the bumper back on and Bob's your uncle, then you're done. So this is what we're going to be doing today, and I'm going to be showing you the process, so hopefully you enjoy. The only tools you need for this job will be a heat gun or a hairdryer, some tools to take off the bumper, some water, and a glove so your hand doesn't burn. So here what my dad is doing here is heating up the area. Don't make it really hot, otherwise you'll just melt the paint. So you want to get it decently hot, and then you get your glove and you push down on it, make sure it's all good, and then when you're happy with it, apply some water, then flip it over to the other side, and then you look at it, make sure it's all how you want it to be, and then you put it back on the bumper. This is the final product, so it's a lot better from what it was. There's going to be cracks if you've left it a long time, but if you do it like straight away, like a day or two after, a week later, you'll get pretty much perfect results. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, tell me down in the comments, like the video and share it with your mates if you find this helpful, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, bye.
Look at my life, feel my pain. When it comes to me and you, we're not the same. This is so far from a game. What you saying? It ain't nothing but hard work and dedication. Quit complaining. Look at my life, feel my pain. When it comes to me